This video will continue with paragraph proofs. The proof is written out here so you can see if this problem is what you need. And now we will cover it up and go through the thought process. If two angles form a straight angle and are congruent, do they have to be right angles? This is actually a theorem that you will need later on in a geometry course. So if these two angles form a straight angle, that is a total of 180 degrees and are congruent. So let's show that on the diagram. Congruent, congruent. Now we're going to say this angle has a measure of x degrees, and this also has a measure of x degrees because they are congruent. Therefore, x plus x is 180, 2x equals 180, and x equals 90 degrees right here. So 90 degrees and 90 degrees. So now we can see if two angles form a straight angle and are congruent, do they have to be right angles? Yes. Yes, they do. And the theorem that you will use later on is if two angles form a straight angle and are congruent, they are both right angles. So now let's uncover the paragraph proof so you can see here. If two angles form a straight angle, then their sum is 180, as we did right here. If they are congruent, we will assign a value of x to each, as we did right here. So x plus x equals 180, 2x equals 180, and x equals 90. Therefore, and this is the theorem, if two angles form a straight angle and are congruent, they must both be right angles. And there you go. And our proof is done.